Okay, guys, we're going to start teaching R. Okay, so we have learned so many different types of software. We have learned SPSS, we have learned Excel, we have learned WinSteps. Last week, we learned how to use Stata, and from this week onwards, we're going to learn on how to use R. So first, please download R. Go to r-project.org. Click on to download R here. Okay, now you look for the nearest host to our country. Okay, oh, got Malaysia. UPM. Terima kasih UPM. Okay, so you can see here, we have to download R for Windows. Okay, for those using Mac, download R for Mac. Okay, click here. Okay, so click this one. Binaries for base distribution. This is what you want to install R for the first time. Okay, click this one. Okay, download R 4.01 for Windows. 84 megabytes. Click this one. Okay, keep. Start downloading. Okay, while waiting for that to finish downloading, we look at the installation instructions. Okay, so just run the exe file for a Windows style installer. So it should be easy. Okay, there are two types, 32-bit and 64-bit. Okay, so for us, we are going to use the 64-bit. Why? Because mine is Windows 10. Okay, so let's install. Open. Okay, there it is. Select the language to use during installation, English. Okay. When you're ready to continue with setup, click next. So click next. Where to install? Oh, my hard drive is full already. I will just change it to D. Next. Okay. They ask us which one you want to install. You want to have the 32-bit files or you want to have the 64-bit files. For me, I'm just going to want the 64-bit files. Okay, next. Okay, next. Next. Okay, I'm going to create a desktop shortcut. Next. Okay, that is for R. Next, we have to install RStudio. Okay, let's wait for this thing to finish first. Okay. So it's finished. Please click finish setup. Okay. So has it been successful? Okay, here it is. R shortcut. Okay, so this is R. Okay. As you can see, this is where you start to die. Why? Because everything requires for you to type in the codes line by line. So instead of using this, use RStudio instead, which will help us in the use of R. So I'm going to close this one. Okay, I'm going to install RStudio. Okay, dang, 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 dang. Okay, this is RStudio. So we're going to download the RStudio. Where to download? rstudio.com. Okay, choose your version. Okay, of course we have to take the free one. Okay, RStudio Desktop. Which one? Free one. Why not take the commercial license? Ayo, I don't have 1000 USD to spare. Click download. Okay, so install R. So the RStudio requires R. Okay, already done. Download RStudio Desktop, recommended for your system. Okay, this one. So click this one. Okay, next. Keep. So it's quite a large file. Okay, now we're done. Click open when done. Next. Again, I have to save it on my D drive. Why? My C drive is full. RStudio. Okay. I'm not installing it on my old notebook because I don't think my notebook will last. So instead, I'm installing it on the Office notebook, which means after I'm done, I have to delete it. Okay, so it's finishing. Okay, finish. So RStudio. Okay, we have R and we have the RStudio. See, we have the RStudio here. Okay, RStudio have four windows here. There's the other window here down at the bottom. Okay. Okay, so you can open your file from here and you can see it, everything here. Okay. So and with that we managed to install RStudio in R, and that is what we're going to use for class on Tuesday tomorrow. Thank you.